Guys, welcome to my channel Sparky Diva. So today I'm gonna be doing this makeup look which is using only just Lakme products. So I created this look using only just Lakme products, and this video is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial using just only Lakme products. So if you wanna know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. And before jumping into the video, please make sure that you click on that subscribe and that bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First I'm gonna be using my primer. So for the primer I'm gonna be using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'm just gonna be taking it on my fingers and then I'm just gonna be applying it starting from center of my face. And just blending it really well. Primer helps to stay our makeup in place for a really long time, and it just blur out our pores as well, because I have pores, so that my pores doesn't fill up with the makeup. So that is why primer is essential before applying the makeup. So moving now to the foundation. I'm gonna be using Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation, and I'm in the shade Marble. If you wanna know in which shade I am. So I'm just gonna be taking it on back of my hand and I'm just gonna dotting it as usual I do. And also I'm gonna use it as my concealer and as well as my eye primer as well, because I don't have concealer from the Lakme, so that's why I'm using it as my concealer as well. So I'm just gonna be taking a flat top brush like so, and I'm just gonna blending it using dabbing motion. If you need some more coverage, you can go ahead and applying on the same place wherever you need some more coverage. I think this is perfect coverage for me. I don't like heavy coverage, so I'm moving ahead. I'm gonna set my foundation with using Lakme Perfect Radiance Intense White Compact. It's a compact by Lakme, and I'm just gonna be setting my foundation using this. Base makeup is done. So for the contouring and highlighting, I'm gonna be using Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna be taking it on my brush and just gonna slightly contouring. I'm also gonna bronzing my forehead as well. If you have shorter forehead, you don't need to do this. I have slightly larger forehead, so I like to do my bronzing my jawline as well. And with using my fingers, I'm just gonna bronzing a little bit my nose as well. Now I'm gonna using this highlighting part of it with using my fingers only. You don't need to, you can use your brush as well, but I am using my fingers because they work the best. I'm also highlighting my tip of my nose and also a little bit on my bridge of my nose. And on my chin as well, and my cupid's bow, and a little bit on center of my forehead. For the blush, I'm gonna be using Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and it's in the shade Coral. So this is how the shimmer brick looks like. Swirling my brush all around like so, and just slightly apply on my apple of my cheeks, and just gonna blending it with a very light hand. Doing same on this side as well. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna be using the Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil in the shade brown. I'm just gonna applying it on all over my lids. You don't need to perfect because I'm just gonna blending it. Now I'm just gonna smudging it using the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal with that smudger.
Don't go outside the mid area.
Now for the eyes, I'm gonna be using this Lakme 925 Eye Color Quartz, and it's in the Desert Rose shade. I'm gonna be using for this eye look bronzy shade to apply on my all over my lid. So for that, I'm just gonna using any fluffy brush like so. So first I'm just gonna be tapping it on my lid and blending it as well. Same brush, just blending it on the crease as well so that there's not any harsh lines. Blending it really well so that it just diffused into my crease. Then I'm taking this shade and applying on the lid area as well. Again, I'm taking clean blending brush and blending it really well. Now I'm taking these two mixture and gonna smudge it my lower lash line. Again, I'm taking the same blending brush and just gonna smudge it a bit or blending it. Then I'm taking this shade right here, this yellow highlighting shade, and I'm just gonna placing it in inner corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna highlighting my brow bone as well. So I'm just gonna taking Lakme Absolute All-Time Kohl pencil and I'm just gonna lining my upper lash line with it. So I have just created a wing eyeliner using the kajal, and I'm just gonna coating my upper lashes and bottom lashes with using Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. So this is how it looks like after applying the mascara. So for the brows, I'm just gonna using Lakme eyebrow pencil. So first I'm just gonna run my spoolie through it so that is there any foundation or makeup in the brows, it will come out if there is any makeup in my brows, and it also set them in place. Then I'm just gonna fill them in using the same Lakme eyebrow pencil. This is very black in color, so you need to really careful with very light hand. Use it with very light hand. So my brows are also done now. So for the lipstick, I'm just gonna using Lakme Absolute Gloss Addict in the shade Desert Rose, and this is very pretty peachy lip color. So I'm just gonna applying it on my lips. So this is the finished look that I have come up with. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope that this video will helpful to you. So this is pretty much about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. For subscribing to my channel, you just need to click on that subscribe and that cute little bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on all my social media. I will link them down below so that you can go and check that out. And I will also link all my previous video in the description box so that you can go and check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.